Hi there and welcome to Reacting with Petra. I'm Petra, I'm from Sweden, and today I will be reacting to Angelina Jordan once again, this time singing Thank You. It is an original song and I'm very excited to hear it. So cool. This is a Patreon request, so if you want to prioritize your request every month, you go to Patreon. I have a very limited amount of time these days, but if you want them done, go to Patreon. Otherwise, just request normally, and hopefully at some point in life I will get to your request. I leave a link to this video and the Patreon in the description box, but let's go.
We're gonna do an unreleased song for you guys. Yes. That we actually played in my last show. This is a stripped down version, which I think you guys, well, I hope you guys will love.
I always love stripped down versions because they almost always get more emotional, but I haven't heard the song previous to this, so I can't really compare the two.
So it's called Thank You.
Yeah.
It's about thanking the person that basically betrayed you, and along the healing process of you becoming yourself again, you realize that thank you to that person for making me feel like, wow, I have this power in me that I didn't know, and now I do.
Is this my story? It sounds like my story.
So, thank you for that. Look what you made me do. Threw all your clothes right out the window. Sold all the jewelry that you gave me. Burned all the pictures of me and you.
Wow.
Look what you made me do. Spend way too much on all the therapy. Talking in circles just to find out I wasn't the problem. The problem was you. Look at what you made me do.
Wow.
I didn't know I had it in me. Thought I would lose myself without you, but I learned how to love me. Yeah.
Ooh, the chills. This is so amazing. She is so good. Her voice is so cool. It's so big.
Look what you made me do.
Oof.
I didn't know I had it in me. No, yeah.
Oh, those runs.
Oh, yeah. And then won't you make me thank you for giving me one more reason. Thank you for giving me one more reason. Thank you for showing me your true colors. And thank you for missing my heart. Na 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 na.
Wow, she's very good at writing music. Did she write this or did someone write it for her? I know it's an original song, but you don't always have to write it yourself. But my thought is that she probably was in the writing process at least, because she's singing it so like surely.
What you made me do, stepping on like a brand new woman, and compromising on whatever. No more obsessing by you. Yeah. Well, all your words miss holding your body, and my head miss holding your story. Go and tell someone else who believes that's the truth about you.
Oh,
What you made me
amazing.
do. I didn't know I had it in me. Thought I would lose myself without you, but I learned how to what you made me do.
Wow, that was amazing. All those, she's so good at those, like playing around on these notes up here and doing all the rounds. I'm gonna have to listen to that again. She's just so amazing. Like her voice. If you've seen a lot of my reactions, you know I am a sucker for dynamics, and she has so much dynamics in her voice, like and then wow, and then it's deep, it's high, it's falsetto, it's all those things. We'll go back.
This girl is mine, can't bear. These are the best days I've had, yeah. You're like a shadow that passed. I think I already forgot about you. All of the high just made me rise up thanks to you. What you made me do, I didn't know I had it in me. Thought I would lose myself without you, but I learned how to love me, yeah.
Yep.
Look at what you made me do. I came on stronger now that we're done. Never changed for no one. Found something about me I never knew. Look what you made me. Thank you for being here. You're more reason. Thank you for giving me one more reason. Thank you for showing me a true colors. And thank you for messing my heart.
Amazing. She is so good. Yes. Applause to the pianist.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Amazing.
Wow, that was fun.
Yeah, it was. I love this video. I love that I get to see the things after the fact, like when they're talking and do those things, and before, because sometimes it's just a song, but to see the, like her talking about it and what happens after they sing it, it's more like I'm there.
Someone's phone? It's running. Tell them I said hello.
Wow. She's amazing. Okay, now it's just... Oh, what happens now? Okay, so you can see all people here who has been part of the video. James Steele, Steve Ackerman, Robert Palmer, Eve Harmas, Andy Schnell, Ted Tomoyasu, Robert Adams, Angelo Randazzo. Here they come again. James Steele, Robert Palmer, Angelo Randazzo. Good job with the video. It's good that you post these kinds of things. Oh gosh, and then I heard the Christmas music and I started to get Christmas feelings. This was very good. It's so much fun to hear her own stuff too. I like covers just because I've heard the songs before mostly, and I already know, so I don't have to think about what the melody will be or something like that. But I like listening to originals too, especially these kinds of things when it's very stripped down and more real, and like to hear the story about the song, like when she tells it, like great topic for a song. Very touching, very true. Like if you go through heartbreak, you probably get out stronger on the other side. At least I did. I learned to love myself. I am happier than I've ever been, and I've decided to not be with anyone. I think forever, but you never know what happens in life. But that's my thought, at least, and I'm not feeling sorry about myself for it. It sucks that I got so jaded that I feel like it's not worth to bring another person into my life, because it's too much for me with my autism and everything. I kind of mold myself into a person they want me to be, and then when it doesn't work out and I gave all to that person, you can very easily feel lost. But I'm feeling great right now, even though I'm a single mother and everything under the sun. So I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I'm an oversharer, obviously. But also the song made me think about it, that I'm so strong. So I thank the situation I'm in a way, because I wouldn't be me without it. I wish it wouldn't happen in different kinds of ways, but what happened, and I also think that it was so dusty on my camera. Everything happens for a reason, and I'm stronger than ever. I hope if you're going through heartbreak, you know that you will be stronger after the fact, and you're already strong for getting through it. It doesn't matter if you cry every day; you're still very, very strong, because crying is not being weak. It's just getting you through stuff. Okay, that's my TED talk, obviously. Thank you, Angelina, for showing us your incredible talent. This is incredible. The song is amazing. You are so good at singing, and it's just like it comes natural for you. Thank you for requesting it, my dear Patreon. If you want to prioritize your request, remember to go to Patreon. Please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of my reactions. But even more important, always keep being you, keep being amazing, keep doing what you love, and I will see you next time. Bye!